Welcome to the Walking in Step with God podcast. Here, we empower you to walk boldly with God. Follow our podcast to stay up to date with new content. Visit our website at walkinginstepwithgod.org for resources, videos of our messages, and more information about our ministry. Once again, that website is walkinginstepwithgod.org.
Hi, I'm Steve McDonald, and it's time for the Wednesday Challenge. Do you really have things under control? Do you find yourself in an impossible situation and you just don't know how to make things work? Maybe you have a financial crisis right now, a broken relationship, or a medical diagnosis that you know can be fixed, but you just don't know where to start. This challenge is for those of you who think that your situation is too far gone for God. Bring your situation before Him. Decide in your heart and mind to give your situation to God. That means you will do what you know you can do, and you will give the rest to Him. Decide to place your trust in Him. After all, He knows infinitely more about your situation than you do. Next, stay in constant contact with Him as you await His will to be done. It's okay to wonder, but you need not worry. God loves you, and He knows what is best. Join us this Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific, right here on this podcast, as we explore the topic, See Through the Shadows. Bless you.
Thank you for listening. Please share this podcast with others if this message has blessed you. Consider becoming a supporter of Walking in Step with God to help others walk boldly with God. Visit our website at walkinginstepwithgod.org to learn more.